Hi everybody. Before you get into this, make sure you know how to pause your video, okay, so you can come back and look at it. And what's actually interesting about this project are the different forms of formatting that you may or may not have ever used before, and they give you nice consistency throughout a paper. So let's take a look at some of these. First of all, notice how I've got my tabs here. So I've got the data. Here's task 1. Solution, I'm not sure what I meant there. There's your cost of goods manufactured, cost of goods sold, income statement, and then the T accounts. The T accounts, in my mind, are just a pain in the neck, okay? I don't think they work in Excel unless you've got something to do it, but this does use references for it. So let's go back to the summary schedules. The thing of it is that you want to name a cell, all right? You do a right, like here. I'm going to right click and then go to name define, or define a name here. Okay, and I think I've already got a name in there for it, but each of the totals is going to have a defined name, okay? The other thing is, for the material in here, for this, we're going to use a lookup range. So this would be a lookup to A10, look up cell A10 from the data tab and return the second column. Okay, so if we go here to data and I go to A10 and you return the number from the second column, that's it. Let's go back over that. Yeah, okay. Whereas these titles are also purchased. These are just copied from that other page, so I think they're pretty straightforward. But you see how different that is? This might be a way of using VLOOKUP that you haven't really used before, and that's the point. Okay, so create summary schedules. Use direct references to cells in the data worksheet to create summary schedules for direct materials used in production, manufacturing overhead, conversion, direct costs, selling, SG&A costs. Use cell name to label the total of each schedule. Okay? And just right click and define a name. Let's see, to outline, I want to say the total. Okay, the total is the important part here. Okay? So then we've got cost of goods manufactured here. This is using defined names, so direct material used is called DM used. Direct labor is let's see, direct labor is a lookup. Okay, manufacturing overhead is MOVH. All right, and those are named ranges in here. If you hit Control G, okay, let's do that here. It'll show you all the named ranges that you have. Right over here. Okay, so there's cost of goods manufactured, cost of goods sold, conversion costs maybe, yeah, direct labor costs, etc. Okay, so you want to name it something that you recognize, and then every time you need that field, you just have to put that these 3 letters in, and it'll go and get that data. Okay, whatever. Okay, then let's see here. Here's cost of goods sold. Again, we're using VLOOKUP. These are coming right from the data field, because you want everything to be the same as it is in data. Okay, that's part of your goal, and all the numbers will come from those lookups. Okay, but there is cost of goods manufactured. Okay, it's another lookup, and cost of goods sold would be a total. And we've got an income statement, straightforward, and then T accounts are here. Okay, I think this will help you quite a bit. You might want to listen to it twice or take a look at the sheet as I'm going through it. I hope you survive the exam. I know it's hard, but we had to get back on the horse. So this will be at least something different to work on over the weekend. Okay.